Hi everyone, this is Julius, and today I'll be sharing on how you could open two MT4 platforms in one VPS or in your computer. So all you need to do is to go to your VPS using your remote desktop. So I already opened it earlier. So as you can see in my VPS right now, there are two MT4 platforms that are opened. So the other one was the previous version of the testing version of Amaris, this one. So let's say I want to open Cost Avenger here. I wanna um, I wanna run it along with Amaris. So what you do is you go to the File Explorer, then you go to your Drive C, then you go to your program files, then you just copy. You will see here Primus Markets MT4, the program files times 86. So folder, so you copy this one. So there you go. Then after that, you could rename this folder if you want, but you could directly open this folder, and then you will see a terminal icon. So the terminal icon, all you have to do is right click on it and then send to desktop. Then there you go. You have your new MT4 terminal. So you just rename it. Let's say I'm gonna call it CA. Then gonna open it. Then when you open it, you will be able now to log in to your MT4 account. If you want to open a demo, you use the steps I taught you before. So let's wait for it. I'm gonna show you. So there you go. If you want to open a new demo account, you just go to Primus Markets Practice and then new demo account. Then you enter your details here. Let's say I want to try it with 1,000 USD. And then, please choose ECN. The leverage is 1:500. So there you go. Then you have your new terminal. MT4 terminal. So after this, you go with the steps that I told you when you install CA or Amaris. Since we are using FX Primus, you need to go to View. You need to before that you need to close all the charts because we won't be needing these charts. So you need to go to File, then Open Data Folder. Then you put the expert advisors here. Let's say you wanna use the demo of CA. You put it here, and then you open the MT4 charts. I mean, you open the MT4 charts for ECN, which you could look at here. You could view it by going to Symbols, then FX2, then you press Show. So I'm not gonna be running you through on how to install the bot because I already taught that in my previous tutorials. But that's the next step is basically, I assume that because you are watching this tutorial, you know already how to install EAs or expert advisor. So I think you already used CA before or Cost Avenger and you installed it in your PC. The same steps just this one, you open a new MT4 software in your VPS, and then attach the robot here in this account. So I think that's all. I hope you learned something. If you want to ask something, you could message me on Facebook. Thank you, guys.